formations of the Land Combat Group are ready to be revealed. Marching towards us is the Ground Assault Formation, grouped in an arrow-shaped array. The Type 99B tank features strong striking abilities, empowered with information. The Type 100 tank and Type 100 fighting vehicle are highly intelligent and capable of coordinated combat. The new generation armaments of the PLA Army's ground assault forces demonstrate the strong ability of capturing strongholds with mobility and piercing fortification.